I put a video on Instagram the other day and everybody's asking me, do you custom make these? What sizes do you have? I made these for myself to wear on appointments, to boutiques and stuff, and the response has been overwhelming. So I am gonna do some videos on how to make your own pair. And I just made a bunch of little clips to show you guys how I style them, because I style them for casual days, date days, work days, show days. I do trunk shows and stuff, so I style them in every way. And I've worn them to almost, I'm trying to think, I've worn them to so many events. So anyway, it's these. These are the ones I'm talking about, and these are a size 32 waist men's khakis that I got at the thrift store, and I just went crazy and made them my own with my own style. I'm a big like peace, love, happiness type girl. So these have I don't know who remembers, but in high school we were always like 143 in our notes, and you know, if you had a boyfriend, you 143'd them. I love you. That type of thing. I know it's kind of weird, 80s. And then on the back I did I love you, and I put right here be love, and this is just my handwriting. I did do stencils on these, but I just used scraps of fabric I had laying around, and I just went to town. Like, I love leopard print and roses together, so I did leopard print and roses. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on and let you guys know that DIY tutorials are coming soon, and I will have a few of these in my shop, hopefully in a couple weeks, where if you guys don't want to make them, you can buy them. So have a great day.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. But she's looking at you, you.